要种小花了。
Hello， 大家好，又是阳光明媚的一天。今天呢，我们是想要收拾花园。昨天去 Home Depot 买了一些木头出来，我们准备再多做一个菜床。反正四伟说菜床是很好做的，我们今天拭目以待。Never been to California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday.
这些是用来做这个菜床的主体的，这是4条腿，2个结构性的石头，还有这些是来做坐垫。
It's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. And it kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow. Seen my twin brother, I keep missing his calls. It's funny just how easily a family can drift apart. I'm finally getting married to an angel in human form, but I still think about Nashville. We're staying near the right chord.
完工花了我们2个大概1个半不到2个小时，漂亮吧？
漂亮。我的这个小灯儿里面全是吃。这个菜床就一切就绪了。我俩在那儿弄着花园，一回头一看啊，姑姑就在那儿坐着，然后下面的阳光特别好，也不知道她是不是也在欣赏美景。哎呀，看对眼了！她说这不行，你得过来摸我了。过来吧，过来吧，没事，小孩。